Hello dear fans. What is silver as a chemical element? Silver is a chemical element of group I of the periodic table of Mendeleev. It is a plastic white metal. In nature, silver is found in the form of a mixture of two stable isotopes. Instructions. Step 1. Silver is the most widespread noble metal, more than 60 of its minerals are known. It occurs mainly in hydrothermal deposits, as well as in the enrichment zone of sulfide deposits. Sometimes silver can be found in sedimentary rocks and placers, among sandstones that contain carbonaceous matter. Step 2. Silver is characterized by a face-centered cubic lattice. In compounds, it is usually univalent. This metal is at the end of the electrochemical voltage series. Silver has the highest thermal conductivity among metals. Step 3. At normal temperatures, this metal does not interact with oxygen, nitrogen and hydrogen. Under the influence of free halogens and sulfur, a protective film of halides and silver sulfide, which is a gray-black crystal, appears on its surface. Step 4. Hydrogen sulfide, present in the atmosphere, contributes to the appearance of a thin film on the surface of silver items. This explains their darkening over time. By acting on soluble salts of this metal with hydrogen sulfide, silver sulfide can be obtained. Step 5. As a result of oxygen adsorption, which increases with increasing temperature and pressure, silver oxide appears on the metal surface in the form of a thin film. A suspension of silver oxide has antiseptic properties. Carbon monoxide, hydrogen and other metals reduce nitrous oxide to metallic silver. Step 6. Silver dissolves in nitric acid at room temperature to form silver nitrate. At normal temperatures, if no oxidizing agents are present, perchloric acid and hydrogen bromide do not interact with silver due to the formation of a protective film of poorly soluble halides on its surface. Silver forms various complex compounds, most of them are soluble in water. Step 7. About 80% of mined silver is extracted from polymetallic ores, as well as from copper and gold ores. To obtain it from gold ores, the cyanidation method is used. Silver is dissolved in an alkaline solution of sodium cyanide in the presence of air. Then it is isolated from solutions of complex cyanides using reduction with aluminum or zinc. Step 8. Silver is concentrated in lead alloys during the processing of lead-zinc ores. It is extracted by adding metallic zinc, which forms a refractory compound that floats to the surface in the form of foam. Then the zinc is distilled off at a temperature of 1250 degrees Celsius. Silver is also smelted from copper ores. It is isolated from the anode sludge formed during the electrolytic purification of copper. Thanks for watching.